welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm going to be doing the Positively Papercraft sketch challenge now. This is the sketch. So for the Positively Papercraft challenge then, I'm using this 4x6 card base, and I'm using a spotty design from the Go Wild retired set, and then I'm going to be using different patterns from that to create this monochrome effect, but then I'm throwing in a yellow polka dot to the mix. So everything else is going to be different, and then there's going to be these two yellow polka dot pieces added in. And then I've used the yellow polka dot on I just put it through this love die, which I got from the lovely Melvin in a recent swap. And I put it through the Big Shot, the paper on top of a piece of cardstock, and it's just bonded them together, so that's going to go as my sentiment along there. So I want that to be a little bit higher. I'm going to trim these because I don't want them all to be the same length, and I'm going to sort of interweave them. So I've got to decide which one I want on the bottom. I want this yellow one to be on the bottom to start with, and I want it to be kind of the full length that it is. So I'm going to use the pattern that's on the card to help me keep it kind of straight. And that's it. That's my card. Maybe that should have been a bit higher up, that one, but I'm not bothered. I like it. Very simple, quick and easy card there. My Christmas card's tomorrow, and I've been promising to show how to use the edging dies. So I am going to do a Christmas card which uses one of those edging dies tomorrow, so you will get to see that. There's no scrapbooking. I've not done a scrapbook page this week. Well, in fact, that's an absolute lie, because I've done a whole scrapbook, but I can't show you it yet. However, I will show you it, and I will. It's quite a big one, and it's got lots of quite complicated components, so I will show the scrapbook one day, and then I'll show you how to make the components, probably as a series of videos. Anyway, so thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.